Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to properly... Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I properly remove my... Can't get it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, this one right here, I'm going to show you how I properly wash my face when I have a face full of makeup. So let's hop into the video. Okay, so I'm super excited to bring you guys this video because I decided I was going to systematically go through the drugstore and tell you guys about all of the products that are in there. Yes, I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to go through and use almost all of the products that are in the drugstore, unless it's something that I already have. I'm going in, I'm purchasing it. Brands, feel free to send me product because it's gonna get expensive. This time I went in and I found this product, the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. It exfoliates and it refines. It goes from a clay to a mousse. That's what caught my eye. That's what caught my eye, and I cannot wait to show you guys how this stuff works and tell you guys what I think about it. For a very long time, I was not washing my face properly. So this is how I now wash my face. I'll update you guys if things like this changes, but yeah, let's get into it. The first thing that I do when I'm washing my face now is removing my eyelashes. I know that that sounds like a given, but when you remove your lashes, you typically just set them down. I have done that, and unfortunately, I just recently... Is that a... For real, yo? For real? Really? 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 Ah! This dang fly is... I just recently lost a pair of my favorite Lily lashes. I am very sad. I think I accidentally threw them away because I took my lashes off and I just put them down somewhere and I didn't put them back in their case. Look at how empty the case is. Don't be like me. Put your lashes away immediately after you take them off. You will thank me later. Then I go in and I take off my eye makeup. Lately, I've been using this Biore baking soda micellar water. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. I got it from Ulta. I know it's a teeny tiny version. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I really, really like it, so I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing it. I like to use a product that is either specifically formulated for eye makeup removal or a micellar water. I don't know if... I think micellar water, you can use it over the whole face, but I like to use micellar water specifically to take off my eye makeup. I also like to do it using a cotton pad that's about this big. I found these cotton pads from Target. I like them because I can lay them on my eye for about 30 seconds or so or longer, and it's really easy because you just then roll it around and swipe and pull the makeup off of it. Well, not pull, but you know what I mean, like the makeup off of your eye, and it comes off really easily. The reason why I like these big ones as opposed to the smaller cotton pads is because when I'm taking off my eye makeup, I like to also take off the concealer makeup that I have on under there. So I like to lay it on, I can wipe around and then wipe off the concealer with the eye makeup with the eyebrow.
Okay, thanks.
After I've taken off my eye makeup, I go in with a makeup wipe. It doesn't matter what kind of makeup wipe. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on it because these are just the steps that you take before you actually wash your face. So lately I've been using the Studio 35 exfoliating facial wipes. I got them from Walgreens, I think it was. And the reason why I like them is because they have these little like beads on them, but the beads don't come off the wipe. But it's like these little... where it actually feels like I'm actually washing my face. So I go in, I wash off the rest of my face with this. I make sure to hit my ears, my neck area. You might think to yourself that, oh, well, when I finish washing my face with, or wiping my face with a makeup wipe, my face is clean. It's actually not, because when you take a white towel and you wipe your face after you've wiped with a makeup wipe and done all these steps, you still got a bunch of dirt. And that's why it's important to go in and then cleanse your face. Clean is clean, but cleanse is cleaner than clean. Cleanse is, wait, clean is clean, but cleansing is getting it cleaner than clean. This process right here is cleansing your face because it's not gonna just be clean. It's gonna be like a deep clean. The part that makes me super happy, the cleansing part, I I picked up this L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. It says that it removes everyday impurities. It has 3 pure clays. It has red algae in it. I really, honestly, I didn't pick it up because I knew that L'Oreal did skincare, which I don't know how I didn't know that, but I didn't know that. But I really picked it up because it said it goes from clay to mousse and because it has red clay. And so the bottle, I'm a sucker for a pretty bottle. This is absolutely beautiful. They have a lipstick that is super cute too. Gotta show you guys that. Yeah, it says that it unclogs pores for skin that feels smoother. The thing about this is it does have fragrance in it. It is free of parabens, it's free of silicones, but it does have fragrance. The fragrance you can really smell, and something that I always try to make a point of to mention to you guys is to pay attention to whatever allergies that you have. I'm allergic to strawberries and cats. So if it's got strawberries and cats in it, I'm not gonna use it because I'm gonna end up looking like Hitch. It's not fun. Not fun for me. I'm also allergic to latex, but that's a whole nother story, baby. It has little exfoliating beads in this. Like, it feels really smooth. But I like the little, like, I don't know if you guys can see the little exfoliating beads that are in there, but yeah, it feels pretty good. Pay attention to what's in the ingredients to make sure that you're not going to be allergic to this, and also pay attention to your skin. When I poured it out, I was really surprised at the scent. The fragrance is like, it doesn't smell, it's just, it's very scented, and the scent doesn't go away once you take it out of the bottle. It's still there. You can smell it as you're washing your face. It's not bad for me, but if you're sensitive to fragrances, then that's something to be aware of. The fragrance is strong with this one, although you probably should have tried to smell it in the store before you took it home. Either, in any case, that's what I'm here for. Yeah, rubbing it on the skin feels really nice. It has those grains inside of it. When I was washing my face, I felt like I was in a dang spa. It felt so relaxing, so refreshing. I like that you activate it with water and it turns into like this sudsy kind of, you know, cleanser. I didn't really demonstrate it very well, but when I went to go wash off my face, I really saw it like suds up really well. When you're washing your face, when you go to rinse your face, you want to make sure that you're rinsing your face in lukewarm water. I know we have the tendency to wash it with the hottest water that we can, and then we have the idea to think that our pores are going to close with cold water. The pores on the face don't have muscles like pores don't have muscles like that to open and close. Although we hear that a lot with our hair, it's not like that with our face. So washing your skin with the hottest water that you could possibly put on your skin is actually going to do more damage to your skin. So it's best to rinse your face with lukewarm water. Also, when you go to dry your face, you want to make sure you're patting it dry. We all have scrunchies. I know you guys probably have some scrunchies or hair ties that's super stretched out. Well, that's because in the process of us pulling it and putting it on our hair, we've just lost the rubber just becomes all, and it's all, Think about that with your face. When you're pulling at your face, when you're drying it, you are essentially stretching out your skin, and you run the risk of losing the elasticity in your skin. And so rather than pulling it to dry your face off, you want to just pat it. When I'm using something that has exfoliating beads inside of it, I don't like to wash my face with the water going directly onto my face because I'm worried that I'm going to get those beads into my eyes. I've had it happen before. So I take a Waffle cone face towel, one that I got from Bare Minerals a couple of years ago. It is amazing for removing like face cleanser, exfoliating type stuff. I just lay it on my skin and then take it and remove the rest of it off very lightly. If you lay it on your skin with the lukewarm water for a couple of seconds and then just wipe, it's going to come off really easily, and you don't have to go in and vigorously rub your face. On the back of the product, it says that see effective results, and it says immediately you're going to feel like your skin is purified of dirt, oil, pollution. Your skin is left clean and clear. It feels smoother. I definitely noticed that. Under use after use, it says that it improves the skin's overall quality, and also your skin will look healthier, refined with texture. The pores will appear tighter, and minimize imperfections appear less visible. Upon the very first use, I felt like my skin had like, I worried that tightness that I felt meant that I stripped my skin of very vital bacteria, very vital natural oils. And so that's something to think of, because when you wash your face, you don't want to feel that like super like serious tightening feeling. That's one of the reasons why I like washing with a cleansing milk, because I don't get that like feeling. I don't want to strip myself of my natural oils, the good bacteria that's going to help my face. And when you do strip your face like that, you're leaving your skin susceptible to all sorts of, well, to all of the things that you're trying to prevent by washing your face. Also, something that I noticed too, when after I washed my face, I still had a little bit of those exfoliating beads kind of all over the place, and that's something that I was just kind of like, I could do without that. Other than that, I really liked it. I liked the fact that it's clay to mousse. I liked how my skin felt afterwards. I make sure though too to immediately go in after I wash my face. Not after, well, you should do it too, but I make sure to immediately go in and apply my moisturizers, because just like when we put lotion on our bodies, when our bodies are still a little bit moist, it helps to like soak in the moisture. It's the same thing with our face. You don't want to wait any extended period of time after you've washed your face to put the moisturizer on. You want your body, while still moist, to soak in all that skincare goodness. So I immediately applied my moisturizers for the night, and I felt great. My skin felt amazing. Let me know in the comments if you guys have used this. It really was my first time seeing it. I really like it. I'm going to use it for the rest of the week. Some extra tips that I wanted to give you guys is that you don't have to pay a lot of money for your skincare. My biggest thing is just pay attention to the ingredients, and also, if there's one tip that I can give you over anything else, is keep your receipts. Pay attention to how your skin reacts to the skincare that you're using, to the cleansers that you're using on it. Sometimes it might take a couple of days for your skin to show how it reacts to it. Sometimes it reacts immediately. Maybe you take it home and you notice something about it that you didn't like. In any case, keep the receipt so that you could be able to return it. That's pretty much all I got for this one. I really like this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a comment below. Thumbs up the video. If you didn't like it and you give me a thumbs down, tell me why you didn't like the video, or if there's something else that I could do to make it more interesting for you, let me know, because I want to bring you guys content that you guys enjoy. I will leave you here, but I will see you again in the next video. Did I tell you that you matter? You do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new about washing your face. I hope I helped. I don't know if I helped, but I hope that I did. Yeah, I'm gonna go now.